Okay, so I had to improvise quite a bit to install these two pictures on top, two-story foyer wall, and this portrait of my parents. Basically, I had this laser level, but I needed to get it up high to this height to be able to project a horizontal line. The vertical line was no problem, but the horizontal line I had to get it up high for many jobs. Like one is to align the screws in the drywall that I would be putting in into at this height. And Basically, what I did is I had a scaffold. I even had a two-story scaffold, but what I landed up doing is assembling the one-story scaffold with the help of a friend, and then putting a ladder on top of it. It's a Louisville ladder rated at 300 pounds on top of the first level of the scaffold, and it's a 6 foot tall ladder itself, I think. And additionally, if I stand on top of it, it gives me some more height. But basically, and I also have a tripod which I use to increase the height, along with a box that I had, box for a monitor. So I use all of this and raise the height of this laser level. And then basically this is the final product where I installed everything. I use a multi-purpose extension ladder by Costco that I bought years ago. I never really used the extension part, but I use it today for the first time and use it to actually get close to the wall. I initially had the scaffold close to the wall over there, but it wasn't close enough for me to get to the wall itself to mark and install the spots where I wanted to put the screws. So this is the final product, and I can see that the portraits are aligned horizontally and vertically. I have the vertical line going on the side of one of the portraits, and I use this to assess whether it's all aligned. I'm going to rotate this a little more to get it to the other portrait to make sure the other picture or portrait picture to make sure that it is also aligned. Uh, but I think it should be because uh, I I mounted it on the center of the. It has one of those picture hanger hooks, the serrated one, which and I can see it also looks aligned to me. Maybe on the left side, and then I move this more to the right side, maybe to see if it is also lined on the right side. But the chandelier is coming in the way of the chandelier is coming in the way, so I'm not able to tell. The vertical line doesn't project on the wall because it's the chandelier that I had installed that's coming in the way. So, but I think it's good enough to know that the left side is aligned. The right side is not going, or maybe it is going actually. It's hard to tell, but looks like it may be slightly misaligned. Like, yeah, it looks like it is slightly misaligned. I can always correct that while I'm on the ladder. Yeah, it is slightly tilting. The top is tilting a little more to the right, but I can easily correct that by getting up on the ladder again. So what I'll do is I'm going to leave this laser level here so that when I get up I can look at the laser level and use it as a guide to realign the picture frame. Okay, so I'm going to leave it up here. The left portrait is definitely aligned, but it's the right one that needs some adjustment. So I'm gonna get down from this Louisville ladder. I have to be very careful because this is quite a makeshift arrangement that I have. The laser level beeps when it is not aligned, when the gyro or whatever that mechanism is not aligned. So it's beeping. Whenever it beeps, it means there's some vibration that's causing it to go out of alignment. But once I get down from this uh, ladder and scaffold, it should stop beeping because there shouldn't be any vibrations. And I have to be very careful when I'm getting down. Okay, yeah, there we go. So this is the arrangement that I had for the scaffold and the ladder on top of the scaffold. Thinking back, this is probably not the most safest option. I'm going to be installing some lights, some LED lights on this foyer window. So for that, I'm not going to use this setup. I'm going to assemble a second level of the scaffolding. I think it's called a baker's rack or a baker's. And the second level, and add guardrails and add outriggers to make it very stable. It's much safer to use the platform rather than a ladder, because especially if you're working for a long period of time, you can relax and take a break on the platform. On the ladder, it's much harder to take a break. So anyway, I'm gonna use this ladder. As you can see, the portrait on the right is not exactly aligned, although the horizontal part seems aligned, so that's really strange. But I'm gonna see what I can do to realign it a little bit so that it, at least from the laser light perspective, it looks okay. And then this is what it looks like from a distance. Visually, it's hard to tell that it's not aligned, but the laser light never lies. So, oh, the laser level never lies. So I'm gonna go up and basically realign the right side. The safety recommendations I checked with Google Gemini AI is that this extension ladder should be at an angle of 75 degrees to be at its safest. And the way they say to check that is you put the tips of your toes on the bottom of the ladder, and if you're able to reach the rung with your hands, then that's good enough. So you can see here how the laser light says it's not aligned. This distance at the bottom of the laser light is much smaller than the distance as you go up. It's just maybe slightly misaligned. So I'm gonna see what I can do to align this better. Maybe move the picture frame a little bit. Yeah, pretty much this is as high as I want to go. I don't want to go higher than this. So basically, I'm just gonna move this a bit. It's hard to do this holding the camera with one hand. But this looks a lot better, I think. Actually, let me see the horizontal line too. What happens is when I align the horizontal line, the vertical gets misaligned a bit. So that's strange. I don't know. This one looks perfect. And this one looks, the horizontal looks good too. But the vertical, when I look at it, let's see. The vertical does look a little misaligned. Maybe the picture's not exactly square. That's my only explanation. But it doesn't look too bad, so I'm gonna leave it like this. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Uh, if I wanted to be perfect, I would probably use a square to see if this picture frame was exactly right angled or if there were some imperfections. But these are just some decorative picture frames, nothing too professional. So I'm not gonna bother. Again, coming down very carefully on this ladder. Okay, and I feel it doesn't look too bad. So I'm just gonna leave it this way. And I will remove the laser level and okay, let's take another look from a distance. Yeah, nothing noticeably bad. So I'm going to leave it that way, remove the laser level as I'm done with it, and then basically remove this ladder, and later on I'll reassemble a second level of this baker's rack to install some LED lights. I have to find a way to secure the lights around the window frame. So I'm looking for some kind of brackets that don't require drilling in. Maybe I can use there's some screws, bolts on the window frame. Maybe I can secure something to those bolts if there is a those are hex bolts, I think, or hex screws. So I'm gonna figure out how to do that. And also I'll clean the window when I'm up there with some. I don't think I've ever cleaned these windows, so I'm gonna use a nice chemical product, the streak-free window cleaning product. So I think that's about it for now. These are some of the tools I use to install the picture frame. And I made a nice diagram with measurements. This is all using ASCII characters, so that was helpful.